This is our girl. Front. Can you see the head good?
Just get on top.
Excuse me, can you see the head good?
Yeah.
Okay.
You got
See
it.
the neck?
Mm-hmm. Well, your finger's kind of blocking it.
Come on. That's it.
There.
Come on. Rear. Step, baby. Step, baby. Okay, again, we'll do the face so you can see it, Lynn.
That's good. That's better.
Is that good?
Gimme.
That's right. Side shot of the head. Okay, that's first girl. Now we're going to move on to the second girl. Let's see, who's a girl? This a girl?
Yeah.
Yep. Oh, you're so pretty. Okay. Beautiful markings. I don't know what you are. We're going to call her a tiger. Come on, stand up. Oh, you just don't know what you're doing. Come on, stand for me.
Hey, baby.
She's like, I'm not doing it. Okay, well, here. Let's see the rear.
You're like hanging her.
Let me see the front.
No, the front's bad.
Oh, the front's bad?
No, it's not.
But she doesn't want to stand. How's that? Front good now?
Can't even see her. Yeah, it's fine.
Okay. Can you see the head?
Yeah. I can see it.
That's better.
That's better.
That's better. Come on, sweetie. Do, 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 do.
Mom.
She's fine, Ella. She's too tight. Whee! Yeah, see that how she got better on that. Okay, here's the girl. I need another girl. Who's a girl? You girl? You're a girl, aren't you?
Yep.
Okay, come on, baby. Oh, your little Rexy colors.
Is that eyebrows?
Okay, the black and tan girl.
Nice front.
Here's her rear. Okay, here's her face again.
Redo the rear. For some reason, it just got all dark.
Did it?
It's
Okay.
doing it again. Okay, there.
Oh! You okay? It's okay. It's okay. And here's the face again. She seemed big. She seems bigger boned, Len.
Mm-hmm.
When?
She is.
Inside through the head.
Oh.
Hey, little boy.
Okay. Now we're going to move on to the two boys. You trouble.
Never.
Sometimes it just keeps on getting dark.
Okay, here's the black and white boy. Look at you. Stand, dude. There we go. Hello, baby. Hello, baby. Hello, baby. Let's see the rear. Hello, baby. Hello, baby. Hello, baby. Okay, walk that way. That's a baby. Okay. Let's see the face again. Close up, face. That's my head. Hi, Grandma.
He says, that's my head, too.
Side view.
Okay.
Okay, now we're going to move on to the other boy. Oh, you're a feisty little one. Where's my boy?
You better look.
Hello, baby. Come here. Come here. I think you're boy. Are you boy?
Yeah,
You're boy. Okay. And this is the last puppy we have.
He looks like Nova's puppy.
got to bark. Is there anything you can bark?
Show Grandma your front. She's watching. Come on. Say hi, Grandma Lynn. Look at my butt.
Oh.
Yeah, that's my butt.
Enough of the butt.
Enough of the butt? Okay. Here's my face again, in my front. My neck. Okay, walk, puppy. Walk, boop, boop, boop.
Come here, boy.
Okay. Loosen up. Okay, Lynn. Let me know. Thanks. Bye.